If you've accidentally deleted messages from your iCloud, there are several methods you can try to recover them. Follow these steps to attempt recovery. Step 1. Check recently deleted folder. Open the Messages app on your device and look for a recently deleted folder. If your messages are there, you can easily restore them. Step 2. Restore from iCloud backup. Go to Settings on your device, tap on your name, then select iCloud. Choose Manage Storage and look for backups. If you have a backup from before the messages were deleted, you can restore your device from that backup. Step 3. Use iCloud.com. Log into iCloud.com using your Apple ID. Navigate to the Messages section to see if any of your deleted messages are still available there. Step 4. Check other devices. If you use multiple Apple devices, check if the messages are still available on another device that is synced with the same iCloud account. Step 5. Contact Apple support. If none of the above methods work, consider reaching out to Apple support for further assistance. They may have additional options for recovering your messages. In conclusion, while recovering deleted messages from iCloud can be challenging, following these steps may help you retrieve your lost information.